So this is a fuller that's come back. It was a left-handed person. You can see that by the hammer blows on here that all the hammer blows are on the inside of this fuller and none on the outside, which tells us that it was being held at 90 degrees to the body, and the tool leaned and struck on this corner. So the result of that is that you don't get a direct blow down through the tool, and it causes this side to curl over instead of penetrate. So we want to fix this. So this radius on the back of our fullers matches the 10-inch expander wheel. It's this very same radius here. So it's a fairly easy fix on the back, and then I can match that up, moving back and forth on the belt, and clean this up. Then I can come back and reset the arc at the bottom of the fuller, and then the arc at the top of the fuller. So we'll start this up. For depth. I'll clean up this other end a little bit. Any mushrooming that occurs from that, and I'm going to re-round the top evenly. And this little sharp edge I've created from doing that, I'm going to get rid of that. Back in business. I have another one. It's used by a right-hand person. You can see the same thing. All the hammer blows are on this edge and nothing on the back. So same procedure. You notice I'm traveling over the belt. Not sitting in one place, just getting equal. That way I use all the abrasive on the belt. Touch that up. fixing my tools, I'm using a 100 grit belt. 100 grit put on the 10-inch expander wheel, works just right.